Hi, my name is Krystal with Kite Technology Group, and today I'm going to show you how to squeeze a little bit more performance out of your computer. So over time, we install lots of software applications on our computer, and many of them are specifically coded to automatically start after every reboot of your computer and run silently in the background. They consume resources and can make our computers feel pretty slow over time. So I'm going to show you how to see which software applications are configured this way and how to stop them from starting unless you specifically want to open the application. On your computer, you're going to right-click the Windows Start button here and select Task Manager. Once this window pops up, make sure you select the Startup tab here. So here you can see all of the applications on my computer that are configured to automatically restart and run in the background every time my computer is rebooted. So I can turn off a lot of these. There's some built-in Microsoft software. I'm going to turn all of these off. And again, this is not disabling them or uninstalling them from your system. It's just telling it don't run in the background unless I specifically call on you to open. Windows Terminal doesn't need to be on there. This is just bloatware for my graphics card. I'm going to keep Dropbox because I do use Dropbox to sync files to my computer and I don't want to have that not running. Any file syncing service like Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, you want to make sure you keep that on because you want your files to always be saved and uploaded to the cloud. I don't need Microsoft Edge to start. I'm going to keep Google Drive. This is just video recording software, so I'm going to disable that. And if you work in an insurance agency and you see anything listed here called ASI dot whatever it is, make sure you keep that enabled. Those are specific services for Epic and TAM to run successfully. Anything Adobe related can also be disabled. Again, it doesn't mean that you're uninstalling the app. I can still click on Adobe and look at PDFs anytime I want. It just means Adobe's not going to be running in the background and consuming resources from my computer. Okay, so I've gone through my list and cleaned that up there. Now to make that change take effect, all I have to do is reboot my computer. So I'm going to go back down to the Start button here, select the Power button, and restart. That's it. If you're a Kite Tech client and would like some help with this, please contact our help desk. If you're not currently working with Kite Tech and would like to learn more about our services, please reach out and we'd be happy to schedule a conversation to learn more about your technology needs.